So, starting recording. Oh yeah, I know you hate it. I hate it too. But it's my gaming PC. And as you can see, I am... That's the wrong one. Is it? Oh, that's my ZME Linux. So that's the one I want. So, I'm trying to... Before I get to my stuff, I tried to get my gaming channel started, War Thunderer. And Greg said, Dirk, why don't you put a link in your description? So I think I just mention it every now and then. And go have a look. If you just want to sit around, forget about all the trouble in the world, just watch these things. I do that too. I watch a lot, actually. And it makes me feel good. This is a beastie game, the Bomber, yeah? RB Bomber Vortur Beef. Because just to give you a hint. So when I played the Vortur, bombers usually call their targets. I did, and then somebody did not call the target, and I could see he was going for mine. He made it to overtake me, so I had to shoot him a little bit. Yeah, I died too, but it makes no sense. If you have people like this in your team, it makes your team a group, and with that you have no chance to win. It's usually a code of honor. If somebody calls out his target, this is it, you go for the next one. Find a different one. That's what I do, that's what everybody does. You have the exceptions, and what can you do? You know, I shoot them. I usually warn them. I say, look, you bomb my target, I shoot you. Here I haven't had enough time. I hoped he goes for a different target. He didn't, so I shoot him a little bit. Made him smoke. So, you wonder, Dirk, what is that snake on this pillar? Yesterday, all of a sudden, I did something in the background. My Unraid server, this is all in a virtual machine on Unraid, right? With passed through graphic card and USB ports and stuff like that. Not all of them, but the majority. A few you need for Unraid. And all of a sudden I had a really good game, and I recorded it, and I listened to the sound. Bzzz. Yeah, I had lots of humming noise. I said, oh, holy moly, my microphone. I tried different headsets. Then I thought, okay, my USB sound card, Sound Blaster, or whatever it's called, is broken. I said, oh no, forget about it. I changed, I tried, and on the end I figured out, I watched YouTube videos and people say, oh yeah, if you have a bad device, I unplugged everything what it wasn't necessary to figure out if that is causing the humming. But then I realized that my Unraid server, so if you see that here, it said, it said connection lost. I said, what's the connection lost? How is that possible? Because I did have the cable connected. And because the cable from my, it's like a printer cable, the one which goes to your UPS, right? And to make it a little bit longer, I had this short extension here. So I said, yeah, that will be fine. And it was for long. But yesterday I had a humming noise, and once I took this out, everything was fine. So this cable somehow corroded, lost connection. I tried it in different ports, same thing. I get a humming noise. For some reason, maybe the protection is gone here. Radiation, you know, whatever, signals. Something patched comes through and gives me trouble. So it went to my motherboard and gives me the humming noise. Bzzz. So every recording was terrible. So if you have something like this, figure out what happened last. What did you plug in? What did you change? And in my case here, I can tell you this was a USB cable. That's all it. I took this out and put my UPS cable right into the connection where this was. No problem. Humming. You can hear that this sound, right? Is there any humming noise? No. There's no humming noise. So this is it. And what I did, because this is a virtual machine, right? That's Windows 10 in a virtual machine, my gaming computer-ish, on my Unraid server, right? Everything's running from my Unraid server with pass-through graphic card, USB ports. And a sound card, I use Sound Blaster, a USB card. So then I started MX19, same thing. I said, oh dang it. Then I started Ubuntu, and yeah, same thing. So I figured out it has nothing to do with Windows as much as I like to. I mean, Windows is made to create problems, right? It will, it does. It's what it's going to do. So, oh, and yeah, you can say I played around with the camera. I have a camera now. But I don't want you guys just come for the looks, right? girls, I mean, girls. I think I have a few girls actually in this channel, and they are computer interested, which is nice. Especially if they like Linux, right? I mean, yeah, we want it. However, long story short, if you have a humming USB microphone, find the culprit. Sometimes it's some other devices you have plugged in the same outlet. In my case, it was a USB extension cable, old, which gave me trouble. Oh, nevertheless, long story short, find the source. Don't give up. It's not your microphone. You don't have to buy a new headset. It's usually something causing trouble on a circuit. In this case, it was a USB cable, right? All right, this is it, guys. That's all there is. Very short video. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Soon there'll be more Linux and maybe a BSD video coming and something else. There's some very interesting stuff going on. But I got to jumpstart my War Thunderer channel, right? Because that's a nice one too. I really want it to work. It relaxes me to play. It relaxes me to watch playing. In times like this, you know, situation can become tense. And as much as I like Linux and BSD, sometimes I don't feel like tinkering around. And sometimes I just have a little time, because if I tinker around, I need a little bit more time. So, and gaming is quick, you know, jump in a saddle, shoot somebody, 15-20 minutes, and then you have a video. And it's fun. And I watch what other people do too. My channel is without any advertisement, at least it should be. Like this one, there shouldn't be any advertisement coming ever, if I can have a word in it. Cool, guys. Love you all. Stay tuned. Next video is coming soon. And bye.